Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2025 Hyundai IONIQ 6 SEL. And we're going to talk about the ambient lighting. That flickering effect you see right there is not really happening, only through the lens of my GoPro. Let's see how you adjust this lighting. There's actually quite a bit you can do here. So we're going to go to Setup, and then we're going to go to Vehicle. We're going to go down here to Lights, and ambient lighting right there. Now there's a lot of things you can do here. First of all, you can adjust the brightness. So if it's too bright for you, you can adjust that down depending on your desires, and I'll let you see the differences right there. I went down to 4, as you can see, but for video purposes, we will use the 10 instead of that 4. And here are some of the different options that you have here for your different lighting situations. Depending on how you want things to look, you have quite a bit going on here. I'm not going to go through every single color, but just to let you see what's here. Now you can see that there are 2 different colors with the area right here above the armrest or by the armrest, and then your door bin right there. How exactly do we do that? Well, we can go down here, set custom color, and here's what's going to happen. Now you'll notice that you have upper and lower. Now obviously you can match those 2 together if you want to, but let's just say it's Christmas time and you want to have green and red. Well, you can do that. And depending on what shade of green you want, obviously you can make changes there. But I'm going to go over here and make some other changes. I know it doesn't match, but just to show you what's here, just for fun. And there is lighting in the rear seating area as well, as you can see right there. And that's not all you can do. You can see that you also have single colors if you want to use that. You can do quite a bit here. We can also link to drive mode if we want to do that. So there's a lot of options and customization here. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you were curious about that, maybe you wanted to see the ambient lighting in the IONIQ 6. Tell me what you want to see me do in the future as far as tutorials go, whether it's here on a Hyundai or any other vehicle out there, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.